Hi everyone. This is an overview of what we will be doing in week 4 for our fundamentals class. You'll see here at the top we have our agenda for the week. You're going to be completing a time calculator activity, which is this right here. You're going to watch a video, and then there is an assignment that goes along with the video. You're then going to read through an article about apps for that are designed to help improve your organization and productivity. From there, you're going to do an activity in which you come up with a couple of thesis statements. Now, you are doing a separate thesis statement activity in Comp 1, but that activity is a little bit more open-ended. Here, I have come up with a couple of a little bit more guided, more specific methods for developing a thesis statement for this project. And finally, you are going to complete assignment about time management. So you're maybe noticing a trend here. We are thinking a little bit about how we spend our time, how to avoid procrastination, and what are ways that we can make ourselves more organized. So let's scroll down a little bit, take a look at what we're doing. This module here is going to help you calculate how you are spending your time each week. You'll click here to begin, and from there, the instructions should be pretty self-explanatory. You'll need to do this time calculator in order to complete the assignment due on Sunday. Here we have a video about how to gain control of your free time, and then an assignment due on Wednesday that goes along with this video. In a separate doc, you'll just be responding to these two questions in 6 to 10 sentences. Pretty straightforward. Here we have an article, really more of a list of apps to make you more productive. So I would read this over and see if there's anything that sounds like it would work for you. We probably all have different ways of keeping track of our time, organizing ourselves, things to streamline our daily activities. But if you don't have a lot of those things in place already, it can be a really good idea to have those things. And of course, we live in a very technological society, so there are lots of good resources, apps, programs available to you to help you be a little bit more productive. This is the coming up with a thesis activity. Make sure that you download it. You will be completing this on the document itself. It looks like this. You can type your responses right on this worksheet, and then you'll upload the worksheet to Blackboard when you are finished. You'll see that there are two parts. The two parts are not wildly different from each other, but they are two slightly different ways of developing a good thesis statement for this project. I came up with this activity because the one in Comp 1 is pretty open-ended. The one in Comp 1 basically just asks you to come up with a thesis statement all on your own. And it does provide some very good examples, but this provides a more broken down step-by-step approach to doing that. So I thought this might be helpful to some people. And then on Sunday, you have a time management assignment due. You'll type up your answers on a separate document and upload that document when you are done. And in order to do this, you will need to complete the time calculator. You'll need to watch that video that was above, and you'll also need to take a look at that list of productivity apps. The questions here are based on those three things. And that is what is due Sunday. I think that is all that I need to go over for now. Let me know if you have any questions.